Hi, this is it, our last Geometry Flip class session. Hopefully, we are going to enjoy this last session. As for our last session, we are going to discuss about circles. Now, here are the key terms you need to watch out for. You need to define what a circle is, the points in the circle, the points on the circle, the points outside the circle, including what is the radius, a chord, what is our diameter, secant, the tangent, and the point of tangency. This would be our last group of key terms you need to watch out for. Now, first, let's talk about what is a circle. Given this kind of figure, help me define what a circle is. You only have 20 seconds to do this by yourselves. Go! Okay, time is up. In this given figure, we know oftentimes as a circle, you may say that this figure has no sides, has no angles, including no vertices. Well, if these are your definitions for a circle, these are just actually descriptions, and therefore, these are not accepted as definitions. Let's try to define what a circle is today. Before this figure, let me have two different points, say here, point A and point B. In this given figure, I have here a distance from A to B. If I will make another line from A that has the same distance as A to B, let's just say here, and let me record it or label it as point C. I have here a segment AC and another point here. If I will do it the same, say in this area, and I will have D, same line segment but on different area, and I will also have it on the other area, same distance as AB. Now I have AE and having a point E. And if I will add one more, in this area here, say AF, which has the same distance as AB, I have here separate points. And if I will duplicate it more and more and more, I have many points here. If I will connect all of these points, I have a circle. So if we're going to use this kind of concept, what is the real definition of a circle? We have here, actually, a circle is a set of all points equidistant from a fixed point, or same distance from a fixed point here, point A, and this is now what we call as the center. Using this center, we can name the circle as circle A. This is the proper way of definition of what a circle is. Now, after we defined what is a circle, let us define the different points on, in, and outside the circle. Given this new figure, in 20 seconds, please differentiate these three groups of points. Okay, time is up. Now, we have three groups of points in any circular figure. We have the points in, on, and out. Let's talk about the points in. Our points inside the circle are points A, H, L, and J, including our center, which is point A. The points on is actually on that curved line, curve of the circle, the B, D, E, and F, and the points out are the points outside the figure, which are C, G, and K. These are the three groups of points you can see in any given circle. Aside from the points, we can also have line segments here. In this figure, we have four different line segments, all coming from the center. We have segment AB, segment AD, segment AE, and segment AF. These four are called individually as radius or as a whole radii. In 20 seconds, define what is a radius or what are radii. Time is up. Now, how do we define what is a radius? Yes, a radius or all radii of a same circle are any line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle, such as A to B, AB, A to D, AD, and so on and so forth. Aside from radius, we also have another line segment you can draw in any circle, and these are line segments. You can have line segment ED, you also have BD, FE, FB, EB, and segment FD. These line segments are what we know as chords. In another 20 seconds, please define what a chord is. Go. Okay, time is up. Now, we define actually chords as, or chord as what? Yes, it's any line segment drawn connecting two points on the circle, such as points B and E. That's why you have segment EB. This lone chord here is considered as the longest chord in a circle, and we call it diameter. It is considered as the longest chord because it is actually a chord that passes through the center. So diameter is a special type of chord. It passes through the center. Aside from those line segments, we can also draw lines. So from points, we have line segments, and now we have lines. The first pair of lines are lines FE and FB. These pair of lines are called secant. And the last pair of line is line DC and line BC. These now are called tangent lines. Yes, tangent lines. In 20 seconds, please differentiate the two of them. Go. Time is up. Now, we say seconds first, such as FE and FB. Seconds are actually lines or line that intersects the circle in exactly 2 points, such as points F and E and F and B, and we make a line. That's our secant. As for our tangent, we have only or our tangent lines are only lines that intersect the circle at exactly one point, such as point D and point B. And these intersections are called points of tangency. That is how different tangent from secant is. So here are the key terms you need to remember. We defined what a circle is. We also differentiated the three groups of points in the circle. So we have in, on, and outside. We also talked about what a radius is, what is a chord, diameter, including the secant line, the tangent line, and for tangent lines, we have point of tangency. Here are the last group of key terms you need to remember. Now, if you were able to view this video, I would like you to comment the following numbers corresponding to your name in the comment section of Schoology. If your name is not here, it's on the next one. Please review this last video as your help for this coming long exam. It's been a while, and yours truly, thank you very much for your patience. These next names are our last names for this last session. Okay. Thank you so much for your great time, participation, patience, and enthusiasm from session 1 until today, our session 8. Your positive responses are well appreciated. Now, it's your time to please prepare for our long exam for the end of this week. This ends our flipped class. Good day, and thank you very much for your participation. Bye-bye.